Doctors warn diabetics to avoid sugar, but these 5 incredibly sweet fruits actually help lower blood sugar, even if you're over 60. If you've been told to steer clear of sweet fruits because of diabetes or high blood sugar, you're not alone. For decades, people, especially those over 60, have been warned that the sugar in fruits is dangerous. But here's the shocking truth. Some of the sweetest fruits in your kitchen may actually help fight diabetes. That's right. Not all sugar is created equal, and nature has its own medicine tucked inside some incredibly sweet and common fruits. Research now shows that certain fruits can lower blood sugar, reduce insulin resistance, and protect against diabetic complications. If you're over 60 and managing blood sugar levels, you don't need to fear every banana or berry. In fact, avoiding the right fruits could be doing more harm than good. As we take a closer look at 5 delicious fruits that taste sweet but work hard to keep your blood sugar in check, please take a moment and click the like button and make sure to subscribe to our channel if you are new. Also, make sure to stay until the end to hear how to enjoy these sweet fruits safely and what fruits to stay away from. 5 sweet fruits that actually help lower blood sugar. Number 1, blueberries, the antioxidant bomb that reverses insulin resistance. You've likely heard that blueberries are a superfood, but for seniors with prediabetes or diabetes, they may be life-changing. According to a 2010 study published in the Journal of Nutrition, obese adults with insulin resistance who consumed a blueberry smoothie twice daily saw significant improvements in insulin sensitivity, a major factor in preventing and managing type 2 diabetes. Why it works. Blueberries are packed with anthocyanins, a type of antioxidant that reduces oxidative stress and improves insulin response. They contain fiber, which slows the absorption of sugar and keeps blood sugar levels steady. They have a low glycemic index, GI, of around 53, making them a smart choice for diabetics. How to eat them. Add a handful to oatmeal or yogurt. Blend into a smoothie with spinach and unsweetened almond milk. Freeze them for a naturally sweet, low-calorie treat. Tip: buy wild or organic blueberries when possible. They tend to be higher in antioxidants. Number 2, cherries. Sweet, juicy, and blood sugar friendly. Cherries taste like candy, but their effect on blood sugar is anything but harmful. In fact, they're one of the most underrated fruits for people with diabetes. A study published in the Journal of Medicinal Food found that anthocyanins in cherries can help lower blood sugar levels and reduce inflammation, which is key for managing diabetic complications in seniors. Why it works. Rich in anthocyanins, which boost insulin production and improve blood sugar control. Low on the glycemic index, GI of 20 for sweet cherries. Contains vitamin C and potassium, which support heart and kidney health, critical areas for diabetics. How to eat them. Eat a small bowl of fresh cherries as a snack. Toss them into salads or cottage cheese. Avoid canned or syrupy varieties loaded with added sugar. Warning: while cherries are safe, portion control matters. Stick to about ½ cup per serving. Number 3, apples. The crunchy fruit that may reduce diabetes risk by 28%. An apple a day keeps the doctor away. And for seniors, it might also keep diabetes under control. A long-term study published in BMJ, British Medical Journal, found that people who ate apples regularly had a 28% lower risk of developing type 2 diabetes. That's a big deal, especially for those over 60. Why it works. Apples contain polyphenols that slow down the digestion of carbohydrates and sugar absorption. High in fiber, especially if you eat the skin. Moderate GI of around 38, meaning they won't spike your blood sugar like soda or candy. How to eat them. Slice one with peanut or almond butter for healthy fats. Add chopped apples to oatmeal or overnight oats. Bake with cinnamon for a low-sugar dessert. Tip: choose red varieties like Fuji or Honeycrisp for added sweetness and antioxidant content. Number 4, grapes. Yes, sweet grapes can help with blood sugar. This may surprise many. Grapes are often feared because of their sugar content, but new research says moderation is key, and they actually help manage blood sugar. According to a study from the British Journal of Nutrition, eating grapes can reduce blood sugar levels and protect against diabetes-related inflammation. Why it works? Rich in resveratrol, a powerful antioxidant linked to improved insulin sensitivity. Contains natural compounds that protect pancreatic cells, which produce insulin. Moderate GI of 53 for red grapes. How to eat them? Freeze for a refreshing and portion-controlled snack. Add to a cheese or nut plate for a balanced snack. Slice into chicken salad or mix with Greek yogurt. Tip: always opt for red or black grapes as they contain more resveratrol than green ones. Number 5. Pears, the fiber-filled fruit that slows sugar spikes. Soft, sweet, and juicy, pears often get overlooked. But for seniors with diabetes, they're a smart addition to the daily menu. A study in Food and Function showed that pears improve insulin sensitivity and reduce inflammation markers in people with metabolic syndrome and type 2 diabetes. Why it works? High in soluble fiber, which helps slow glucose absorption. Low glycemic index, GI of around 38. Contains flavonoids and antioxidants that protect blood vessels and support heart health. How to eat them? Slice into salads with walnuts and feta. Eat raw with the skin on to get the full fiber benefit. Bake with cinnamon as a healthy dessert option. Tip: ripen pears on the counter until slightly soft, then refrigerate to maintain freshness. Why these fruits work, even though they're sweet? What all 5 of these fruits have in common is that their natural sugars are bound up with fiber and phytonutrients, which change how your body processes them. Unlike refined sugar or sugary desserts that spike your blood sugar and wear out your pancreas, these fruits slow down glucose absorption thanks to fiber, help insulin work more efficiently through antioxidants, reduce inflammation, which is a major contributor to diabetic complications in seniors. 6 incredibly sweet and common fruits seniors should stay far from to live a long and healthy life. Warning: these seemingly healthy fruits might be silently sabotaging your health after 60. They're bright, they're juicy, and they've been hailed as nature's candy. But for seniors over the age of 60, some fruits, yes, fruits, can pose serious health risks. It may sound shocking. After all, fruits have long been a staple of healthy eating advice. However, certain sweet fruits pack such a sugar punch that they can disrupt blood sugar levels, fuel inflammation, and increase the risk of chronic conditions, especially in aging bodies. If you're a senior aiming to maintain stable energy, support your heart, and protect yourself against age-related diseases like diabetes, neuropathy, and heart failure, you'll want to read this carefully. Let's dive into 6 incredibly sweet and common fruits that seniors should eat with extreme caution, or avoid altogether. Number 1. Bananas. The overrated breakfast fruit bananas are convenient, but they're also packed with sugar and starch. A medium banana contains about 14 grams of sugar and nearly 27 grams of total carbs. For aging adults, that can be problematic for several reasons. Bananas spike blood sugar quickly. They're low in protein and fat, leading to hunger shortly after. Regular consumption may contribute to weight gain. Bananas also have a GI ranging from 51 to 62, depending on ripeness. The riper they are, the more sugar they contain. Safer alternative: try a small green apple with a handful of walnuts for sustained energy and blood sugar control. Number 2. Mangoes. Tropical and treacherous mangoes are delicious and full of vitamins, but they're also one of the sweetest fruits available. A single mango can contain a staggering 45 grams of sugar. As we age, our ability to metabolize sugars efficiently declines. Excess sugar can lead to chronic inflammation, weight gain, higher risk of metabolic syndrome. For seniors with liver issues or early signs of insulin resistance, mangoes should be limited or avoided entirely. Safer alternative: if you crave tropical flavor, opt for small portions of papaya, which is gentler on blood sugar and contains digestive enzymes. Number 3. Cherries. Dangerous in disguise. Cherries are rich in antioxidants, but also surprisingly high in sugar. Just 1 cup of sweet cherries can contain over 18 grams of sugar. The problem for seniors is twofold. 1, it's easy to eat too many, especially from a bowl. 2, the natural sugar content can worsen insulin resistance or feed existing inflammation. Some studies suggest that excessive fruit sugar, fructose, can increase belly fat, which is linked to higher risk of heart disease and type 2 diabetes in older adults. Safer alternative: snack on a few plums or apricots, which are lower in sugar and still flavorful. Number 4. Pineapple. Acidic and sugary pineapple is another tropical treat that can be a nightmare for seniors with sensitive blood sugar or digestion. A single cup of pineapple contains over 16 grams of sugar and is highly acidic. Here's what makes pineapple risky for older adults. It can erode tooth enamel, especially problematic with aging dental health. It spikes blood glucose quickly. It may irritate acid reflux, which becomes more common with age. Additionally, pineapple's enzyme bromelain can interact with medications like blood thinners or antibiotics. Safer alternative: choose small portions of kiwi or pear for vitamin C with less sugar and acid. Number 5. Figs. Sugar bombs in a tiny package. Fresh or dried figs are ultra-sweet and carbohydrate-dense. 1 medium fig has around 8 grams of sugar, and few people stop at just 1. Dried figs are even worse. They're concentrated sugar sources that can quickly lead to blood sugar dysregulation. For older adults, overconsumption can result in blood sugar spikes and crashes, gas and bloating from high fructose content, increased caloric intake without satisfying hunger. Safer alternative: instead of dried fruits, try a small serving of Greek yogurt with cinnamon for a sweet yet blood sugar-friendly treat. Number 6. Dates. Nature's candy, and just as risky. Dates may be natural, but they're essentially pure sugar. Just 1 medjool date contains 66 calories, 18 grams of sugar, almost no fiber or protein to buffer the spike. While dates are often recommended for their potassium and minerals, seniors with diabetes, heart disease, or weight management concerns should avoid them, or consume in strict moderation. Why they're dangerous for seniors. Extreme blood sugar spike in a tiny serving can trigger sugar cravings, may increase triglycerides and fat storage. Safer alternative: use stevia or cinnamon to add sweetness to meals without impacting blood sugar. Why this matters. More after age 60. After 60, your body responds to sugar differently. Here's why sweet fruits can become more dangerous. Decreased insulin sensitivity. Seniors process glucose less efficiently, making spikes more harmful. Muscle loss and fat gain. Excess sugar promotes fat storage and makes it harder to preserve muscle. Cardiovascular risk increases. Elevated sugar intake raises blood pressure, cholesterol, and inflammation. Higher risk of cognitive decline. Studies link high blood sugar with memory issues and dementia in older adults. Even natural sugars from fruit can add up quickly, especially if you're no longer as physically active as you once were. How to enjoy fruit safely after 60. Not all fruits are bad, but for healthy aging, seniors should be intentional about how, when, and what fruit they consume. Here are 5 quick tips. 1. Stick with low GI fruits. Think berries, apples, pears, and grapefruit. 2. Pair fruit with protein or fat. A small apple with almond butter is better than fruit alone. 3. Avoid fruit juices and smoothies. These remove fiber and concentrate sugar. 4. Watch portion sizes. Use measuring cups, not your eyes. 5. Time it right. Eat fruit earlier in the day to allow for better blood sugar control. Choose wisely. Live longer. There's no doubt that fruits offer vitamins, fiber, and antioxidants. But for seniors over 60, not all fruits are created equal. In fact, some of the sweetest and most common ones, like grapes, bananas, and mangoes, can work against your health goals if you're not careful. By staying informed and making smart swaps, you can enjoy the benefits of fruit without suffering the consequences of excess sugar. Remember, nature's candy can be just as dangerous as the processed kind. Your body after 60 needs stability, nourishment, and balance, not sugar spikes, inflammation, and fatigue. Choose fruits that support your journey toward a vibrant, long, and healthy life. Important guidelines for seniors with diabetes. Even though these fruits are beneficial, portion control and timing are crucial, especially after age 60. Here are some tips. Things to do when choosing fruits. Eat fruits with a source of protein or fat, e.g. almonds, yogurt, to further slow sugar absorption. Choose whole fruits, not juice or canned varieties. Watch your total carbohydrate intake per meal. About 45 to 60 grams max is a general guide for most seniors. Eat fruit earlier in the day when your body is more insulin sensitive. Things to avoid. Dried fruits like raisins or dates, too concentrated in sugar. Fruit juices, even if 100% natural. Overeating safe fruits. Even healthy sugar adds up. Sweet doesn't always mean dangerous. For seniors with diabetes, eating fruit doesn't have to be a forbidden pleasure. In fact, avoiding all fruit could mean missing out on powerful nutrients that help stabilize blood sugar. The key is to choose wisely. Eat in moderation, and pair fruit with other blood sugar-friendly foods. These 5 sweet but scientifically backed fruits offer a perfect combination of pleasure and protection, helping you live longer, healthier, and more vibrantly after 60. So the next time someone tells you to fear fruit, you can say, "Not these 5. These fruits are my secret weapon." Thank you so much for listening, and we hope that this video was helpful. Please remember to subscribe if you are new and click the like button if you enjoyed it. Stay healthy and safe. Have a great day.